So you can see from the flowchart na pwedeng kasambahay, pwedeng kapitbahay, pwedeng si tita who has knowledge about the crime, pwede siya mag-report. And he or she can report to that institution that he or she is most comfortable with or most accessible sa kanya. So makikita naman natin sa referral flowchart, no? Pwede sa police, pwede sa barangay, pwede any member of the IACAT, so it could be the SWD, it could be DOJ, no? It could be PNP. So really the most important thing is meron tayong platform where to report and how to report. No? That's what we want to emphasize. And as you can see nga, di ba, yung barangay, pwede mag-report sa BCPC, LCPC. So this is where you, the LGUs, are very important because you really have to capacitate your barangay. Kasi pag kami nag-report sa kanila, they don't know naman what to do, where to refer the reporter. So this is basically our approach.
EDMA, in the study that IJM, DOJ, and partners released in 2020, we learned that 64% of Philippine cases were initiated by referrals from foreign authorities. And in a later study, survivors have shared with us about community norms that hinder their reporting. For instance, the notion that OSAID is a family affair and one should not interfere with it or meddle with it. EDMA, would you be able to share the other reasons as to why there are fewer reports coming directly from the local communities?
Aside sa na-mention ko nga kanina, no, another one would be the stigma na nabibigay ng mga victims, no, na parang pag nagsubok sila, baka nahihiya rin sila about their experience. Another reason is it's very hard to detect. Okay? So, syempre, di ba, in the privacy of their own homes, anonymity ng internet, it's really a very hard to detect crime. But can we also request the tech team to flash yung mga hotlines? I don't know if they have it, but anyway, once it's detected, once na merong idea na or knowledge about the crime, marami naman po din tayong hotline numbers or several online platforms where we can report. So as flashed in the screen, no, meron yung Kabata, Helpline, meron yung Matay Bata. So these are the several platforms that we can use to report.